Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And want to get things updated here. Although update, probably not the right word, more so just kind of confirmation of the past couple of levels that I've talked about, in yesterday's video, for example, namely right here, this green line at 75 cents, which I've been talking about as a level of support. And you can see so far so good. The price continues to just go sideways. And I realize sideways is not nearly as exciting as when the price is, making explosive moves like this. But you got to just stop and, remember, keep things in context. Yeah, I get it. Sideways action, right here, this is quote-unquote boring price action. But ask yourself, where was the last time it was quote-unquote boring? Well, here was some time where it went down and sideways, so that was kind of boring. But now it's being boring up higher than previous times. Or in other words, the price is building higher bases, and that's the name of the game. Assuming you care about the big picture perspective, that's what you want to see. Overall highs being built, because that is what's allowing long-term uptrends to be constructed. The other way you can keep an eye on this whole, kind of concept of long-term, uptrends is very simply by looking at that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said in past videos, from a grand scheme of things and a way to really boil things down to very just kind of easy way to look at, the chart is as long as the price is above that purple line and continues to be above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, sure, the price is getting close to it. Got relatively close to it here, but the price did get a nice little bounce from it. Now, in the event the price does break through the purple line, am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that? I'm not saying that at all. If the purple line, does not hold up, then again, this is where, 75 cents would be that next level of support to keep an eye on. As far as levels of resistance, the level up there, as I've been talking about time and time again, 98 cents. Shorter term wise, though, I do want to add in one more area. And on a short-term perspective from resistance right there at 87 cents, you can see both there and then there, the bulls did try to fight up through it and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be more so a short-term level. So before you start talking about 98 cents and doing battle with that, bulls first need to get through that 87 cent mark. All in all, though, grand scheme of things, bulls are still building that higher base. So therefore, bulls are still in overall control. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.